How to add highlights on Facebook without posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add highlight on Facebook without posting. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is simply scroll down and there you'll see the highlights folder. So there you just have to tap on new, and after that you'll be prompted to the page where you have to select the story for your highlight. So here simply select the photo that you want to add on your highlight, and here once you have selected that, you can simply tap on next. And after that, on the next page, what you have to do is you have to give your story or highlight a title, but that's totally optional. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on save. And that's it. That's how you can add highlights on Facebook without posting. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.